everybody, I'm on my way out to a service call. It's been raining a lot here in Chicago, so in this house, the sump pump, after the cycle ends, is making a very loud noise. Bang, 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 bang. Very loud, and people cannot sleep with that kind of noise. So I'm gonna show you what to do. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I'm here in a crawl space. This is a sump pit and a sump pump. And after the pump is done, for 30 seconds, I even disconnected the pump. Can you hear that? Boom, 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 boom. The sump pump stopped 20 seconds ago and still pump just stopped. So it's gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you. So the pump just turned on. Then it's off, and then the banging. I hope you can hear it. Boom, 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 boom. And it lasts like 20 seconds or more. And this noise is not letting the people sleep because it's very disruptive. I'm gonna replace the check valve for a regular one. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna install a quiet check valve. This is $50, $40 versus $10, the regular one. So I'm gonna replace the check valve. I'm gonna wait until it cycles. Okay, right now I'm gonna unplug it and I'm gonna try to replace it very fast because the pit is filling up. So remember, you might get wet. Just release some pressure. It's filling up fast, so I have to do it fast. Come on. Okay, so that's that part. You have to see the arrow. Hurry up. To creeping up. Come on, hurry up. I have to plug it in fast. Water start coming out of the pit and I'm gonna get wet. Come on, hurry up, Alex. Okay, that's that. That's that. Now this one. Now let's plug it. Where is it? Okay, let's plug it. Oh, my flashlight is getting wet. Okay, the water started to calm down. If you see the water there, it's so full. It's leaking right now. I have to fix it. A little bit of thumping, but just boom, 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 that's it. But not 25 seconds. I just heard it twice. Now it's doing it for 3 seconds. I want to get rid of it 100%. So I'm gonna install the quiet check valve to see if that makes a difference. And right here we have 1.25 inches and this is 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna put a reducer over here because I don't know, this PVC, it's kind of old. It looks like rubber instead of PVC. So that's why I have this one, just in case it doesn't work. So I'm gonna wait for another cycle, or better yet, I'm gonna create it. So I'm gonna, and now I'm gonna undo this one. Now I have a drill that does it faster. Okay, so I have this part. That's it. And I'm gonna push the water here because we have a check valve. Okay, so we have that. Now I'm gonna remove this here. And I'm gonna remove the check valve. So removing the old check valve. And I'm gonna cut here. Yeah, this is not PVC, it's softer than PVC. Make sure the arrow is going up. So this can go a little bit. Something like this. But we want all the nuts this way. So now I'm gonna plug it in. So now we have the quiet check valve. And it's not doing any noise, any pum pum pum. That fixed the problem 100%. Let's wait for another cycle. So that's a cycle. Listen to the bang. Nothing, zero. So it makes sense to get a quieter. It doesn't make any noise anymore. Okay, that's nice strong. So, yep, thank you so much. Like that. I forgot to unplug it. Ah!